The Chevy Malibu, while affordable, has some common issues that owners should be aware of. Key problems include transmission failures, especially in models with CVT transmissions, often due to overheating and inadequate cooling systems. Electrical and infotainment glitches are frequent, with faulty wiring and touchscreen malfunctions in the MyLink or MyChevrolet systems. Engine problems, like oil consumption in turbocharged engines, also occur due to timing chain failures and carbon buildup. Safety concerns, like airbag failures, have led to recalls affecting sensor integration and brake systems. These issues stem from cost-effective engineering and increasing reliance on complex electronics in the shared GM platform. The Chevrolet Malibu receives average reliability ratings, though electronic issues have been increasing since 2020. Historical reliability trends show the gap between manufacturer and owner reports narrowing over time. Major repairs typically cost between $600 and $1,200, making maintenance planning important. Recent trends indicate a shift from mechanical to digital problems as vehicles become more connected. GM has responded with extended warranties and proactive recalls to address these reliability concerns. The Malibu's future is uncertain amid GM's shift toward electric vehicles, with production potentially ending by 2030. However, if GM invests in an electric Malibu, it could potentially resolve many of the current reliability issues.